no hair. I didn't see your hair. You know, as of today, we are going to do one with you. You have to actually voice them. Chill the frickin'. Welcome to Dandy World, where everything comes to life. Are you switching to Boston? I'm gonna be Scraps. I know. Don't forget. Let's go check it. Okay. We covered. Thank you. I'm ready to go. I will see you when the elevator opens. Oh, hello there. Yo! How do we get room for one? I'm about to crash out. And I dodged that. I was way over there and she hit me. And then it's like, oh, how did I get here? Hey, Scraps. Hey, Scraps. Yo! I'm actually better than you. How did I get hit? It's because I'm your sister. Hey, Scraps, don't freak out. Do your little tail grab. No, I said to do your little tail grab. No. Hey, you actually suck. I just dodged the hill. Yes. Dude, you actually dodged that for the first time in forever. I'm actually gonna crash out and get a freaking grab. That's crazy. Add to scrap research. We don't have to pretend we're the characters. Shut. Okay. I am, but we don't have to act as the characters, bro. Chill the frick out. Sorry, he thinks we're the characters. He's hallucinating. Yeah. I don't care. Now down to the lab machine. Because I have a witch and yeah. Because you suck. No. Flare, Astro. Oh, I got him. Why'd you have to be crap? I hate you. Sis, you're not my favorite anymore. Run away. You're not my favorite anymore. You hate me. I should have bought the cookie. No, that's my. No, teacher. Minute. Listen, what's the freaking tissue box? Oh, that was a clutch. Go back to the flat t-shirt. Okay. You're extra. Run. Oh, a shit. Oh, I found Scraps. Okay, found Scraps. She's way over there. She is on that side. She's on this side. So should I get you to scramble you? Pesky rat. Scraps your left leg. I don't care. I'm sorry. Oh my god, you actually suck. I'm actually happy for you. Hey, Scraps. Don't hit him with that ball, he's gonna suck forever. Ricky Moron, don't leave. That's not gonna help you. Let's go. T-shirt here, go. Just try not to get seen by scrap one time, you're gonna die. And you're gonna suck. I don't have to get a scratch. Now it's doesn't care. She might be her business. Now she's coming over to me. Up two. You have one. Why would you did explode? Is it something? Obviously better round. Cause you you done. Did you just get seen by scrubs? No. Yeah. You're about to die. Hurry up again. Go, 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 go. Bye, idiot. Now 38. Broke off for tonight. You know all the tapes, that's acting crazy. Now give me a medkit. Like you should buy a medkit. Cause you know you suck. So you should have bought a medkit. Like, okay. I do like to spend money and stuff. Are you sure about that? Oh, we gotta brush out. Right, who else did we get? We gotta brush and we gotta brush. Okay. As a fresh, we already see you brush. I know we're going to get the key. Everybody do my beat here. Every 5 seconds to hear a beat. I'll do always finish before me reaches up. No, I'm doing this machine, idiot. Okay, that's great. That's actually great. I don't want it. Freaking very good. Come where is the cross button? Where is it? Yeah, I actually made you. Let's go check it. Are you lucky that I got it? Help me finally arrive. Precious not up there until the freak out of this fear. Instead of a bus, and I just got this because of you. Yes, I want that thing. I don't feel bad for you. Oh yeah, I won't feel bad for you if it's a blackout. I'll do it with the ginger. I will actually feel bad. Everybody buy from Dandy's shop. And if it's the worst, they get Dandy's shop. I'm still buying it. So once again, everybody's on camera. I definitely did that skull check. Yeah, I will come over here with your if you come over here with your big booty behind, I will slap you across this room. Get called. I like robotic voices, so this is why I have robotic voices. Yeah, buddy, don't be killed. You know me, I cover all the time. Oh my god, look at that juke. Isn't that better? Is that good? But bro, you died on your juke. Yeah, and I get first aid. How wonderful, bro. How wonderful. I always get the first aid when my teammate dies. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Alright, whatever. If you actually survived that round and stayed with me, you would have gotten extra heart. Right? You know, I'm going through you can get a blackout. Well, who got Razzle and Daz? Is it a free floor? Please tell me it's a free floor. Oh, but it's a free floor. I just hung on your capsule. Bro, I just got a free floor. Bro, I said you got that. It's gonna give me free floors, some more good items, and then it just, yeah. This is actually pretty cool. Viewer skills are first time. I gotta go for the excellent. It's so cool. Without me even. Babysit Bristol. And I do the sheets. Okay, I got my sweet candy. Oh. That's crazy that we haven't gotten the triple yet. That's crazy that we haven't gotten the triple yet. When I was back, I said, I said so bad. I just kept going about this up here. There goes the steps. So, I said, that's it. As soon as I went to, this guy died. I got first aid, and then I got 3-4 after that. No, it's Roger and Lorenzo. That's what Danny. I got 4-1. That's how I got to 1 heart. Because he should have stayed. I'm gonna wake up and rest of history. No, what the actual flipper robotic YouTuber stuff? What? I was about to crash out. Let's see who we got. We got a box. Like you came back to life. Dude, we got the spiders. What's the threat? Lies. I just came back to the same room. Or the same floor. I just came back to the same floor. I hate you. This is why you died? This is why you're not getting a sprout? Then I have sprouts? I'm letting sprouts see me over and over again. And keep on getting me some pebbles. Let me see me over and over again until I get to the pebbles. Why are you freaking getting me? But if I get a sprout, I'm just letting him see. I'm just gonna let him see me over and over again. Shut the frick up. It's a good way for me to I'm so proud. Scraps his arms for support. Scraps away. That part she would be proud if you were dead. Just the jumper cable so I can fly loose. There's not a traffic. Well, it's like full speed finished. Get away from me. When you watch me, yeah, go get him. He doesn't care. Yeah. Now you coming off to me, Poppy. Haha, she's blown. Can't see. Poppy sucks. Now he's from YouTube. She can't see, buddy. You have big fat eyes. Eyes. Poppy don't see me. Poppy don't see me. Poppy don't see me. That extra stamina. Give me that stuff. Don't pull out my head. Poppy, don't find me. Poppy, I'm leaving the floor. Oh, you're coming, but you're too blind. Sorry, bro, you're too blind. Poppy even hears that she's blind and she's dead. Alright, time to finish the last machine. Found the last machine. Found the last machine. No, I'm lucky because I got two other machines this round. And I'm more luckier than you. I just got full. How'd you guys find me? I finally find me at when I was going to the prep machine. I'll let you see you on the website. Nobody on me. Spark one, please. No more break, please. How do you know it's a yacht? How do you know it's run the dog? You're on this one side. I gotta ask you. Anyways, I gotta ask you. Let me get that research, please. Astro, bro, that's crazy that I gotta ask you for 5 and you didn't even get to see him. Yeah, but get research. Go, 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 go. There's one is out here. Right, yeah. Big got it. Hey, I'm sure you're not gonna see me because I'm gonna get all the thousands of research on you. Unless you not gonna be research on this figure out. Unless you run away. Oh my god. Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Okay, just get up! Whatever. What? What did he forget? I gotta ask for flip flop. Alright guys, we're gonna get to a run. What? Got to try to get to the gym. Guys, we're doing another run. I'm sorry. You'll see me in the elevators. Like I said, you'll see me in the elevators. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a big hug. And I am Gooby Goo. Exactly Gooby Goo. Somebody pushes all three of the things. Should I? Yeah, I should. I just bought a health kit. A health kit. Broke on a bed. Broke on a bed kit. Abandoned. What? I bought. This is so health kit. No. We guys want to win this. Cosmo, we can do this. You probably can't do this. And we got a puppy immediately seeing us. That's crazy. Boxing, chill. You just got hit. I thought you got hit. That was gonna be crazy. I was gonna crash out on you. That's what we're gonna do. Get to work. I said get to work. Yeah, but you like run away, Tisha. You saw me. Oh, Poppy saw me, but she well after Tisha again. No, my machine. I stole the machine. From all of us to do machines, I know. I love my Brown, this is impossible. Can't do that to me. I said get to walk. No, Shelly, don't you dare. Shelly, don't you dare. T-Charlie, are you actually freaking kidding me? T-Shirt, I actually hate you. T-Shirt, that's my machine. Get over here. Shelly! No, that's not. Ah! You got my machine. Come back here. Come over here. I hate you. Boxing, you mother. Boxing, that was my machine. Steal it. No. You tried something. No, he took care of something. But you're right back. You don't eat vegetables. You don't have to be a fight to eat carrots, you idiot. I finished it. Just boxed it over here, stole my freaking machine. I want an elevator, I love you. Come on. What? You actually suck. You're not cool. Don't get the gun box. Let me in. Let me in. Let's go. We got the circus too. Oh, that's mine. Thank you very much. That's mine too. Pebble was AFK last round. He didn't do anything. He didn't do any work. Bro was useless. Do a health kit. Dude, go get your health kit. No, don't anyone get this. No. Get boxed in. No. And Tisha just stole. Of course she did. Greedy and Tisha. Oh my god. Yanni, get the frick off of me. I'm gonna crash out again. Greedy and Tisha. Oh, it was Greedy Tisha over here. It was Greedy Tisha. Yeah! Greedy Tisha. Tisha's a griefer. Come over here, buddy. You're lucky I helped you. Tisha, you idiot. How much people are gonna see me? Get off of me, Yana. Freaking idiot. Because I was gonna let Elijah get a med kit, but greedy at Tisha over here wanted to steal it. Oh, Tisha, you're fine. You're fine. And bro, she was trying to grief people too. So what? Tisha. No, you know what? Freaking idiot. You just died. You just died. Man, fuck you. Come here. Astro made a time and she died. No, Astro died. No. Or that T-shirt that is baby up. I don't know. Find all the best for legend. Ooh, direction. Oops, stick. Oh, get your ankles broken. That's actually crazy, bro. Bro, you don't have to call me that. Stop it. Exactly what I thought, buddy. Okay, I'm calling you buddy, oh buddy. That's your new name for the channel, buddy, oh buddy. Give me that self candy, I need it. Two tapes. Wait, I didn't even lie. Thank you. Oh, you're actually lucky that you have that. Freak to the dog, freak to the dog, freak to the freak to the freak to the dog. Baby, up with I know you actually suck. But you actually suck. Fine. Thank you for finishing the machine. Oh yes, I'm still recording. Yes, yes. I'm going to the hill. Come on, stop following me. Come on, stop following me. Get over here, buddy. Come on, G-O-O-O. Hey, get to that machine. I'm doing last machine, oh, buddy. Yeah. So where'd you come from? No, dear. Kick it down. Kick it down. No, you're not getting it because you're being greedy. You're being greedy. Stop it. Now I'd pull you away if I wanted to. But I'm not gonna pull you to it. Man, he's cursing at me. Who just died? Please don't be the pebble. Please don't die. Please don't be the pebble. How do you get two parts of the two like that? Oh. Super duper duper. Belly squeeze. Super duper belly squeeze. That's so kitty, please. You just woke him up. Okay, I found it. Now let's go. We're sprouting. Our sprout died. Bottle pop, that's mine and you. Love me some bottle pop. Oh my god. Come on, jump for people. Alright, we got jump for people and yeah. So our sprout died. Sprout eating its yeah. You beauty, kill it. No, he's gonna heal me out over here. That's so. Yeah, sure. Heal me, please. Heal me. Just get out of the way. I'm about to pull you away. Get out of the way. I'm done with you. Are you actually suck at using your stickers? We got our toodles. That's actually crazy. Oh dear. And our t-shirt just died. Our t-shirt just died. Let's go. Back to happy. Toodles. Wait, so that means that no, our Cosmo died. So he was gonna heal me because of you. Probably died because of you. That's so. He was gonna heal me. What the fuck? I just crashed out over Tisha seeing me. That's actually crazy. Bro, I got so scared. Okay. Now we need our Cosmo and our Sprout. There's two, so see you. We got a box of chocolate. Thanks for seeing that box of chocolates from me, buddy. That's not a box of chocolates. Man, fuck. Tisha, you actually suck, bro. You actually suck. You actually suck. You actually suck. You actually suck. I'm actually gonna crash out, bro. I'm actually gonna crash out. If you actual griefer. Tisha, I'm gonna let you die. You actual. Hey, I hate you, Tisha. We gotta agree for Tisha, bro. I'm not gonna do anything to you. Stop it. You're not coming near me, Tisha. You are not coming near me. You're actually not coming near me. You're coming near me. You actually suck, Tisha. You actually suck. Oh, let me lose you. Oh my god. No, that's a great Tisha. Tisha, I got it for you. You actually suck. Tisha. Grief. Tisha grieved. Tisha grieved. Bro, griefer. We got a Tisha griefer, bro. This actually sucks. No. Now my friend, my little buddy, just died because of her. Now we got a Pebble that's probably gonna die by her too. I'm just gonna get griefed all the time. And I'm not one point because of her. I actually hate her. Please die, Tisha. Please die. She's out of stamina. You actually suck. You actually suck. That's actually crazy. You just got hit by your own kind. She's just trying to keep her. Oh, hey, Tisha. I'm just calling you real quick. She just griefed Pebble. Leave my little Pebble. Wow. You actually okay, Tisha. Hey, Tisha, where are you, baby? Baby girl. Tisha, you grieved, bro. Hey, Tisha, you come over here. How did you dodge that, bro? You actually suck. Bro, come over. Oh, look at that. Tisha's over here. What if I want to? Hey, Tisha, I have some things for you. Yeah, go over here. Oh, go over here. Come over here. Yes, I have some food for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Are you kidding me? I actually just got seen by you. That's crazy. No, I want to see this. I want to see this idiot. Help! No, you deserve it. I'm gonna say no, you deserve to die. No, you deserve to die. She's saying help. You deserve to die. You grieved everybody. She said help. I said no, you deserve to die, buddy. Oh well. Good luck. Guys, I'm not saying this offensively. Please do not. That's really embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. You got hurt. That's really embarrassing. Where you got hurt. Where you got hurt during briefing. That I don't want to hear you. I don't want to hear you. Where you got hurt during briefing. Is. I don't. Ow. I don't think this is dictionary. I don't think S is in the dictionary. That was one time. No, I said I don't think S is in the dictionary. Go back to school. So can you leave now? No, I'm good. I said, no, I'm good. I'm actually good. Guys, I'm gonna pause this real quick. I'm gonna throw the run shit. Alright, sorry I had to deal with her. TJ. Alright. So, that. Kill the t-shirt. I wanted to play kill the t-shirt. Let me see if I kill the t-shirt. I love to play kill the I love to play. Please, yes, please. I am so sorry. When does a man only had the box with the boxing? No, there's one boxing going. So that's all I wanted to know for you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you next video. And the VTuber shutting down.